welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today we're going to be having a little sneak peek into the Spellbinders clubs for August. And the clubs have a really cool arty colourful theme. So they're really fun. So I'm going to show you the clubs and I'm going to show you some of the things I've made with them so far. So there'll be videos coming up over the next few weeks of all the things that I'm showing you. So this first club is the Small Day of the Month club, and it's a whole bunch of word dice, so it's really useful. So you've got wonderful day, enclosed, miss, friend, love, thinking, colourful of, hello, babe, hugs, you, miss, have, big, and thanks. So you can obviously create loads and loads of sentiments from there. Have a wonderful day, do you like hello, babe, miss you, love you. Loads and loads and loads of different combinations you can create with those. So I think that's a really useful set to have. So the next one I'm going to show you is the wax seal of the month. So it's this lovely hello seal. You do get it in the nice packaging with the handle on as well. Mine just came like this because it's a sample. And also these gorgeous, gorgeous wax bead mix. So obviously you can put them in, there's actually 3 shades of pink and the gold. You can put them in all together and create like a kind of marble effect. Or I've used them separately and I've created 3 layers. So I've got a gold layer, a light pink layer and a dark pink layer to create that wax seal. So then we've got the embossing folders. This one is the normal embossing folder of the month. And it has this lovely pattern to it that I think you could use on pretty much any card. Here I've used it on a light up card as a wedding card, so I've just kind of used it really simply with white and gold on that light up wedding card. It just adds a nice texture to the background. And then this one is really beautiful. This is the 3D embossing folder and it's this gorgeous floral. So I've not made the embossing folder samples yet, but we're going to do some fun inky techniques with those this month. So then the better press of the month for this month is this splatter background, and it's one of those where you get a template so that you can place everything and do it in different colours. And then you've got let your colours shine, I love is art, you colour me happy, and have a colourful birthday. And you can see I've used that in the background on this card in all the different colours. I think it makes a really nice background, but you could also use it as is with a statement sentiment, and that would be really pretty as well. So then I think that my favourite club for this month is a clear stamp and die club. So you get this Colourful Expressions Blossom stamp set, and then if you include the dies, then you get the die to cut out that, get the die to cut out the hello, the die to cut out the for you, and then this die that can cut out all these sub-sentiments. So you've got thank you for all you do on your special day, on your birthday, from all of us. Just wanted to say, my friend, and just a note. So I think that's a really lovely set. And here's it in action. So I've used it with the Essential Arches dies to create a nice shaker card on there. And then this one's the one I showed you before where I've used it in gold embossing powder with that better press in the background. So then the stitching day of the month is this really cool artist palette. So you've got all the bits to create the palette. Then you've got these pieces, so you can have these colours either stitched or not stitched. And then you've got all the pieces to create this paintbrush as well. So I think that's really cool. So then the final one I'm going to show you is the Glimmer of the month. So that makes this really cool background. And I seem to have misplaced it somewhere, but you actually get a full roll of the rainbow foil with it as well. So you get the main plate to do that background, and then you get make a splash on your birthday, you make life colourful, and you are perfectly imperfect. So you can see I use that make a splash on your birthday on this one as well. So then I've got a couple of little reminders. One is that I haven't got the stencil of the month or the large die of the month here, so those clubs are available as well. Number 2, if you really like this month's kits and are thinking of getting a few, then please do consider the Deluxe Caboodle. The Deluxe Caboodle is where you get all 10 kits, so the ones that I've shown you today, plus the stencil of the month, plus the large die of the month, and a free gift each month. And it's £120 if you buy from the UK shop, or $120 if you buy from the US shop, which is less than the most expensive 5 kits. So basically you're getting 5 free kits and an extra free gift when you buy that caboodle. I'll link everything including the caboodle in the description below. And I really do appreciate it when you click through my links. They're affiliate links, and so it means that I get a small commission each time something's bought through one of my links. And it really means a lot to me. It helps me keep my channel going, but it doesn't cost you anything extra if you're already buying something. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek. If you did, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below. You can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that we've talked about today are linked in the description below. There's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.